Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I'm making a macrame wire bracelet using the Rapid Loom. I bought the kit at Toys R Us in their closing sale, and I had fun making a bracelet for Mimi. The patterns are in my beginner wire weaving ebook, and we're going to start by using 24 gauge artistic wire. I've cut about one piece that's 24 inches and the other piece is about 48 inches. And I'm going to fold them in half. So we'll make a bend at the halfway point. We're going to bring it around. And we're going to crisscross the wires. Hold it with the bail making pliers. Bring it around and give it a little twist. So we have the loop already formed, and then we're going to take the loop and put the smaller wires towards the middle and the longer wires towards the outside. And we're going to attach it to the loom so we can start our macrame. And the pattern I'm using is a bunch of square knots. And the templates I'll put in the wire weaving ebook, and we're going to attach the other end to the other end of the loom. If you don't have the loom, you can just attach one end to a fixed object like a lamp, and we're going to bring the wire around and over, and then the other wire over the cross wire, and then up underneath the middle wires and through. To make a simple kind of knot, we're going to pull it up. If you find the 24 gauge too stiff, you can always use 26 gauge wire. And now we're going to bring the wire around from right to left. Take the left hand wire over and under the vertical wires and through, and pull it to make the little knot. And we're going to continue this way. I'm going to do about 3 knots in between each bead. Now, a single knot is considered to be one on each direction to make the complete knot. So we're going that way, and then we're going to bring the wire over again, and then over and under and through, and pull it up. Now my knots ended up being a little bit wonky. They're not really even, but it's not that important that the knots are even. It kind of looks more organic when they are more loose and uneven. There we've got our 3 knots done. And if you want to do a 4th set, you can do a 4th set. Whatever looks good to you. And you can add beads whenever you want. And you can straighten it out as you go. From there, I'm just going to put some beads on. These are little metallic spacer beads from Michaels. And I will go ahead and continue with the knots, bringing it underneath the bead, pushing the bead up, and securing it in place with the knot. And we will continue in the same manner. This is a very simple macrame knot. You can learn other kinds of knots. Usually there's macrame books at the library, or you can just Google it. And then we're going to keep adding beads until we're happy with it. As I said, you can do 3 or 4 knots in between each bead, however you like the look. And then once you're done, I just finished off the end, and we're going to bring the bracelet around a round form. You could use a bracelet mandrel if you have one, or just a pill bottle, and we can shape it around. It's pretty soft and flexible, but if you make a hook, it'll stay on your wrist. Even it out as you go. Bring it all the way around. And to form the hook, I had done a loop on one end, so I'm just going to collapse it with the nylon jaw pliers just to press it down. I'll show other ways to finish off the end in the ebook, but basically for this one I just took the end and twisted it around to make a little twisted area of wire about 1 inch long or so. So take the end with the chain nose pliers and give it a little twist just to compress the wires together. Because they're thin, you want to double up the wires so it'll be stronger for the hook. Press it. Go ahead with your nylon jaw pliers to really press it in there. Even it out. You could also leave the loop and just add a regular clasp, but I'm going to turn this into a twisted wire clasp. So bend it and get your round nose pliers or the bail making pliers to bring it around to form your hook. Super simple. And the wire is stronger because it's twisted together. Adjust it and it'll just hook into place. There's your bracelet. There's the clasp up close. And the bracelet from the aerial view. And there you go. It looks really cool and organic. Very funky bracelet.
Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.